Building a website with System.io is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Log into your System.io account. Go to System.io and log in with your credentials. Create a new website. From the dashboard, navigate to the website section. Click on Create Website. Choose a template or start from scratch. System.io offers pre-designed templates for various types of websites. Customize your website. Use a drag-and-drop editor to add and arrange elements such as text, images, videos, and buttons. Add sections like headers, footers, and About Us pages. Customize your website's design by adjusting fonts, colors, and layout to align with your brand. Add essential pages. Add pages like Home, About, Contact, and any other pages necessary for your website. You can create product pages, blog posts, or testimonials as required. Set up navigation. Ensure your website has a clear navigation menu linking to all important pages. Connect a domain. Optionally, connect a custom domain by following the domain setup process in the settings section. Publish your website. Once satisfied with the design and content, click Publish to make your website live.